pizza arrived. Looks like homemade pizza, more. I think the train is coming, guys. Ah, you see? They will close. I see, I see. Guys, I fall asleep. And I just came out now because I saw 9:30 will come.
See a train?
Maybe later. We got plenty.
Oh, wow.
Woo! Wow.
This is Vietnam, guys. Traffic literally congested. Unbelievable. All right, it's time to get some dinner, guys. It's time to get some dinner. Maybe I will jump on a bike. I really want pizza, actually. It's been a while since last time, so because I know from tomorrow working, yeah, I will only eat locals for the next 5-6 days. So yeah, maybe I will have a pizza now. Let's see. The train was good, yeah. Obviously, I was not in one of the cafes. All right, guys. Let's see where we can eat. Going to a place in Old Town. It's quite far. I mean, it's not too far, but because it's hot as hell, feels like on the other side of the country. But that's really busy. Hanoi, it's crazy busy. First on the left, first on the right. Let's see. If I find something on the way, I stop. Because honestly, so a man there, foreigner, middle age. The t-shirt was completely soaked. And so will be mine probably. Before I get home. It's almost 10 p.m. and there are probably, I don't know, 33 degrees. Crazy, man. Can't stop repeating it. Because it's really insane. What's this? Croissant and coffee? Very good. So I think it's here. Let me double check. Auto cafe here. We are in Old Town, so plenty of options. Right, on the second junction should be the place. Oh wow, it's a very good smell of Vietnamese food. But yeah, I will leave it for next night. See what they do. Which place is this? But do they have places inside, or there is no way I eat outside? Oh yeah. So I'm at this place. It's pretty good. They have also floor upstairs. It's not the 4P pizza that I wanted to try, but yeah, Yeah, probably this was closer, I believe. Alright, so I get my dinner. We'll show you the pizza, how it looks like. And yeah, then we will maybe explore a bit in Old Town and call it a day. See ya. Alright guys, pizza arrived. Looks like homemade pizza, more than the classic pizza you get in a pizza place, restaurant. But yeah, should be good. So I ate this and we hit the road of Hanoi Old Quarter once again. Let's go. Guys, pizza was good. Let's see what to do next. Here, it's a street full of bars and cafe. So let's see what's going on. Here, guys. Hello. Crazy, guys. Hello. Oh, there is no way I could be here, guys. Getting old. Hey, my friend. We are living the crazy spots. In fact, that's insane, man. Plus, it's not only busy, it's also hot as fuck. Unbelievable. Let's go, if we go left, right. Later, maybe.
My friend.
My friend.
Hi.
Hey, one beer later. Later. It's crazy here, guys. Hello. Bloody mess. Ah, here it's quiet. Holy hell, was a mess down there. Still good. A lot of foreigner, obviously. No, thank you, my friend.
Yes.
Good, good.
Where from?
Italy.
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 Inter Milan.
Xin chào, ciao.
Ciao. Inter
Xin chào, Vietnam. Ciao, Italy.
Ciao Italy.
Yeah,
Italy. Ciao Vietnam.
exactly. Italy, ciao, Vietnam. Vietnam. Vietnam, good.
Vietnam good.
Good.
Italy.
Yeah, Italy, not good.
Oh, Italy. No.
Yeah. Hot. Right, guys, so just random walk, and yeah, then will be time to call it a day, basically. Just saw this building, very nice. I think in Hanoi there is a famous building they are putting down, but no, it's not this one for sure. It's huge. It's an iconic Hanoi building. This is just a pub, but yeah, looks very good. Life in Hanoi, guys. Really great. That street was insane. I think we are back. Hope you enjoy, guys. Nothing special, but yeah, just showing you around. It's been a while since last time, and yeah, really nice. Beside the heat, it's really an amazing place. Now, if I want to cross, I think here is good. No, thank you, my friend. Massage. Massage. A lot of people, I don't know if it's on video or not, but they don't literally give a shit that you are filming or not filming. Boom boom, massage, any kind of drugs, easy. But they risk quite a lot. Anyway, hello, my friend. Hello. So here is always straight. By the way, you get used to the heat. You just wet and that's it. In the evening, it's doable. It's hard, but still doable. It's during the day the main issue. Let's see what's going on. Massage. Lot of massages. Everywhere. Massage. Not much here. Hanoi Old Quarter hotel. So yeah, that must be Japanese taste. Maybe Japanese street. Hello. Massage maybe tomorrow. Now sleep. Thank you. I believe that's the iconic building that they are basically taking down. I believe so. That's the one. Wow. Remember this place. Now I'm having flashbacks. Crazy. I remember once here, maybe it was 7 years ago, big accident. So one bike was going on the other direction and yeah, crashed with a car, really bad. Very nice. Fountain is off. Couple of tourists with a bicycle. Here you enjoy your time at the riverside. Well, you can't see anything, but it's good. Must be a lot of mosquitoes. Also, I see a rat down there. Nice. Ooh. Hello, my friend.
Hello, bro.
How are you?
Today?
Very good.
Where you from?
Italy.
Ciao.
Ciao. Back to the base, guys. Basically, you know where I live now. The train is coming again. Wow. Unbelievable. Twice in a row. The fuck? Ah, they are closing. Basically, I arrived, so yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, and that's it, guys. This was just a walk, and yeah, I have a couple of weeks here, maybe not even 3 weeks, but yeah, anyway, a couple of weeks, so we will have more time to explore. Was thinking to hire somebody, some local, to show me some hidden gems, and that's it. I don't know if I will do any day or 2 days excursion. I already been to Sa Palong Bay. I may do it again, but yeah, let's see. Would like to do something more, something different, or to visit some place I haven't been before, but let's see. All right, time to get some sleep, guys. I catch you in the next one. Ciao, ciao. Good morning, everybody. What time is it? 3 in the morning from Hanoi. Unfortunately, a video I didn't want to make, but I said, okay, let me share this experience, unfortunately. Now, what happened is that after the last payment at the shop, I come back home. I received a message from my bank in Bulgaria. I don't know if you know, but I'm Italian, but based in Bulgaria. The main base is there, where I have my bank account. Anyway, we have temporarily frozen your credit card. I said, what the fuck? Anyway, the main bank account was fine, but the credit card, not drained. I mean, it's not even a big deal, but it's still money. So basically I have 3 transactions for nearly €1,000, unauthorized. Literally few minutes after the last payment I made at the convenience shop. I invested a couple of hours, to be honest, today. By searching online between Reddit, Facebook, websites, a bit of my own investigations. And I came up with basically a clear picture of what happened with my car.